Hello guys, welcome back to Supercars on the Streets. Today I've got a very exciting video for you guys. I'm about to head to Cars Cafe. Something very special is being delivered and possibly unboxed, so let's head there now. I made it to the Cars Cafe and just around the corner here you can tell something very special is about to be revealed in about an hour from now. And it's not much of a secret anymore. It is the first Bugatti Bolide in the UAE, the first one in Dubai. Bugatti Bolide is out, black and blue, very nice pack. And let's have a look through the back. This is pretty insane, right? What an insane back of a car.
Because there's going to be an interview happening in front of the car. So may I ask you to move backwards just a little bit. Keep on taking your pictures and your videos. Just allow us to do this interview. Thank you so much. Enjoy the Bugatti Bolide.
There's the empty box and the Bugatti Bolide is right here. Insane to see this. It's very loud, so I'm just gonna do a walk around, let you guys enjoy the beauty of this absolute beast of a machine.
ground, yeah, from the wheel. You guys come back.
Inside this outside is not allowed. It's not allowed there. So for this one, we have to be this side.
Okay.
Sorry. Thank you. Yes. Oh, it's going inside. Yeah.